Welcome back to the Morning Blend. Tax season can be stressful for many families with changes in health care and a fast approaching deadline. We now have tax expert Kathy Pickering from H&R Block to give us advice for all of us who wait until the last minute. Good morning to you.
Hi, good morning. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. Are there a lot of people like me who wait until the last week or so to file their taxes?
You are not alone. There's still 1/3 of all taxpayers who have yet to file their taxes by April 15th, and that's just around the corner.
Yeah, it is. Thanks for reminding me. The Affordable Care Act is being called the single largest change to the tax code really in decades. So how does this affect the average taxpayer or taxpayers in general?
So the Affordable Care Act is impacting every taxpayer for the first time this year, and it's in one of three different ways. So the first is the vast majority of people who have insurance, say through their employers. All they're going to need to do is check the box. For the second group, it's those who got their insurance through either the federal or the state marketplace, and they're going to need to provide a little bit of additional information on their tax return and reconcile the premium tax credit. And then that final group are those who didn't have insurance either for some or all of the year, and they may face a possible penalty. One of the things is that a lot of people thought that penalty was only $95, but the reality is that it's either $95 per person or 1% of household income. So for example, a family of 4 earning $60,000 a year, that penalty could be $400, quite a lot more than what people were thinking. And there's a little bit of good news here. There's more than 30 exemptions that people may qualify for that can help to either reduce or eliminate that penalty.
That's wonderful. That is the good news. I guess that's the silver lining there. What about the special enrollment for the Affordable Care Act? What do people need to know about that?
So say, for example, you filed your tax return and you owed a penalty for not having insurance for this year. There's this special enrollment period that's between now and the end of April that gives you one last chance to go to the marketplace and get enrolled insurance. And the reason this is super important for your taxes is that that penalty goes up significantly next year. So it's going to be $325 per person or 2% of household income. Quite a big jump from this year.
Definitely. What are some of the biggest mistakes we make?
Well, life changes means tax either changes or opportunities, and it's things like getting married, getting divorced, having a baby. All of those kinds of things can impact your taxes. For example, the Earned Income Tax Credit is a credit for low-income working families, and the IRS reports that 1 in 5 families who's eligible for it neglects to claim it. Another credit that's really important is the American Opportunity Tax Credit, which is for the first 4 years of college. It can mean up to $2,500 per student per year. So that can really help with those college expenses.
Definitely. What about people who are short on cash and can't pay their taxes right away?
This is really important. People may want to skip filing their taxes because they fear that they owe some money. And what's really important here is that you want to file your taxes even if you can't afford to pay. You can work out a payment plan with the IRS on the taxes. But that failure to file penalty is significantly higher than just the failure to pay. And if you need more information on that, you can go to our website at hrblock.com.
Wonderful. Great talking to you. Thank you so much. A busy season for you guys.
Thank you.